In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Google. Now select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Then hit the delete button next to edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!